In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Facebook using your mobile phone number for added security. To begin, open the Facebook app on your mobile phone and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. From there, please tap on Settings icon right here. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Security and Login option. Tap on it to continue. Under the Security and Login section, look for the Use Two-Factor Authentication option and tap on it. And then select Text Message as your preferred method of receiving codes. Enter your mobile phone number in the field provided and tap on Confirm. Before continue, Facebook will ask you to re-enter your Facebook password. Facebook will send a verification code to your phone via text message. Enter the code in the field provided and tap on Next again. Once your phone number is verified, you'll be taken back to the two-factor authentication screen. Finally, Facebook will give you a confirmation screen with some additional information about two-factor authentication. That's it. You've now enabled two-factor authentication for your Facebook account using your mobile phone number. From now on, whenever you log into Facebook from an unrecognized device, you'll be prompted to enter a code generated on your phone. This simple step can help keep your account much more secure and protect your personal information. Thanks for watching.